name's Nick. I'm a level 5 arborist with Evergreen Tree Care. I'm extremely lucky to work with a fantastic team of arborists. One of the jobs as arborists is taking care of the urban forest. Observing the trees, looking after the soil in which they grow. When observing trees, it's really important to understand the elements, understand pests and disease, and understand soil conditions. These are all part of the duty of a certified arborist. We take this job seriously, we look after the urban forest, and we take pride in the work that we do.